This is Sean Willis, Zero to Hero, Ember, Ruby on Rails, full stack application. Just walking you through. This is going to be a quick video, just a few installs today. I turned to VS Code and My ZSH. So we won't walk through every little detail of this, but I just want to introduce these. I'm going to give you some links. We're going to download them. I have all of these already installed, so you're not going to see a very detailed walkthrough on this, but you can definitely post questions. If you run into any hurdles while you're downloading these, I will jump on the comments and help you walk through all of those. So I have a Mac, obviously, so I'm downloading everything related to a Mac, and My ZSH is another one that I install as well. This is the command, obviously, and what it means is when it says curl, this is something that you will paste inside. You won't actually copy the $sign in your terminal. So something else, actually, I haven't even mentioned yet, is Alfred. So you'll want to get Alfred as well. Alfred is what I use in replace of Spotlight. So you go here, they're all free, so you don't have to pay for any of them. And once you do that, so before you do that, obviously you won't have Alfred, so you can just go to Spotlight, and then you type in terminal for your Mac, and then you'll just go to your terminal for My ZSH, and then you can just paste that in and hit enter, and then it'll start installing My ZSH. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're watching me on YouTube. Thanks again.